Hi, hello, welcome to Manama India A to Z channel. Today recipe is cucumber recipe, vellarika pachadi. Ingredients for this recipe: take 100 gram yellow cucumber, small pieces. Add 250 ml water, then flame on. Wait for cooking. Ingredients needed for gravy: grated coconut 1 spoon, cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, mustard 1 tablespoon, green chili 1 nose, curry leaves, small onion 1 nose. Put all the items in a jar, then grind it well. Grinded gravy, add the cucumber. Mix it, then wait for cooking. Then when the cucumber is ready, flame off. Add 250 ml curd. Then mix it. Then add the salt. Salt if you need. Mix it. Then put a pan to the stove, flame on. Add 1 spoon coconut oil or sunflower oil or cooking oil. Then 1 tablespoon mustard add. Then small onion, 1 nose, chopped small onion add. Then curry leaf add. Chili, dry chili 1 nose add. Then roast it. When it is roasted, off the flame, then add the recipe. The cucumber recipe, Onam pachadi recipe, is ready. Thank you for watching.